Hello and welcome back to my video about ZyXEL. In this video I will show you how you can configure your firewall with security groups and policy. How did you open a port from your external network back into your local network. You need to go for the left menu and click on configuration. Down below we have object and then service. Click here to add it. And then we need a new service we want to open. I will say HTTP and should be on 8080. I know it already exists, so I will call it nginx HTTP and save it. I will add one more. I will call it nginx HTTPS and call it 443 and 443 and click OK. When you have creating the services you want to create, then you need to go for the service group. Inside here we want to add a new service group. I will call it nginx proxy. It's my local one, and then you go down here to find what you need, and I'm here nginx HTTP and nginx HTTPS and click OK. When this is done, we need to create our address so we know where we should go. Then go for address and geo IP, and then we need to create one. I will call it the nginx proxy, and it should be the host, and on my network I give him this IP address 280. And now we are ready for going to the address group. You can click add, type into what you want. I will say nginx proxy access. If you want to limit the access for this group, you can just add your own IP addresses to it. For now I will do nothing because I won't allow any traffic down to my proxy now. I will control it on my nginx server. Now we are ready for going to the policy control. Inside here we want to create new policy so we can get access to it. I will say this should be vain to nginx proxy, and I will say from the source I want any. You can go down to pick the access group you have with the IPs from the address GeoIP and the access address groups, and to the destination I want to my nginx proxy, and the services I want to find my nginx proxy down here somewhere, and the user should be any, and scundle you can use this if you have a scundle time for exactly this policy, but I don't want this. This is my default one, and that's what I want. And now we are coming to the final step where we need to get access from or outside. I'll go for the network and to NAT. Inside here I will create a new room, call it NAT nginx proxy. And what I want to say, incoming interface should be my vain one, and my external should be a vain IP. I have it here, and the internal one should be my nginx proxy, and then port mapping should be my access group, in this case service group, sorry, and then I have my nginx down here, and I click OK. Now we are ready to go to the website to see about everything is working well. I've cheated a little and test what we have done, so I will change it here and see welcome to nginx. So I know this is working. I've tested it before recording it. And thank you so much for your time. I hope you get inspired to follow me and all my videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please make them below so I can try to answer them. And of course, put it to your playlist and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time.